Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a closer look at the 2012 BMW X5M. And this is going to be a full in-depth to the X5. We'll start up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Hendrick BMW in Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. This vehicle also comes equipped with a smart key access system. By keeping the key fob in your pocket and locating a little red pattern on each of the door handles, you're able to lock and unlock the vehicle. Just touch it, and then after waiting a second, just grab the handle, and that opens the vehicle. Also has auto self-closing doors. The exterior color is known as Alpine White, with black perforated leather interior, as well as carbon fiber accents. Does have push button ignition. Just put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. Fantastic. You also have a large leather-wrapped steering wheel, tight, good feedback, with the signature multicolored M stitching, and the emblem embedded in the bottom of the steering wheel. Has a 6-speed M Sport automatic transmission with adaptive transmission control and steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. To activate, just push the unlock button, hold down to drive, push up one time for neutral, and then to put it in reverse, hit the unlock button again and push it up. You also have a rear backup camera, and through the multimedia interface, you also have several options through this system that you can set. Whilst in drive, push it over to manual or sport mode. If left in this position, it'll change the shift characteristics to behave more like a manual vehicle, or by just pressing the paddles, it'll automatically put it into manual mode. And just hit P for park. And let's go ahead and turn on the headlights. It does have automatic lights, hazards. All 4 windows are fully automatic. And let's go ahead and check out the exterior, shall we? The interior of the vehicle will beep, letting you know that the vehicle has lost detection of the proximity key fob. Xenon projective headlamps, auto leveling with Corona halo rings, front and rear parking assist with retractable headlight washers, as well as a split view front camera embedded in the bottom of the bumpers, here on each side. Aggressive front fascia and air intakes, as well as a nicely styled hood that blends well into the front bumper. LED turn signal indicators. Also, 21-inch BMW M specific wheels on Bridgestone Performance run flat tires, large disc brakes and light brake calipers. You also have the BMW M-tuned xDrive all-wheel drive system in this vehicle. On top of its already sport-tuned suspension. Wide tires in the rear. Also a panoramic roof. Automatic rain sensing windshield wipers. and heated and folding exterior mirrors. LED tail lamps across the lower portion. Quad polished exhaust tips. And like I said up front, all unique body cladding with an integrated diffuser style rear bumper. Your rear parking assist, rear backup camera, and LED license plate lights. Integrated spoiler with third brake light. We're going to pop the hood. As far as performance, the X5M boasts a twin turbocharged 4.4 liter 32 valve dual overhead cam V8. Has variable valve timing as well as precision direct injection. Produces a total horsepower output of around 555 at 6,000 RPM and 500 foot-pounds of torque at only 1,500 RPM. Like I said, it does have the in-tuned X-Drive all-wheel drive system, front and rear stabilizer bars, four-wheel independent suspension, has a 22.5 gallon fuel tank with an EPA estimated miles per gallon rating on premium unleaded gas of 12 city, 17 highway. And 0 to 60 times for the X5M is a rather impressive 4.5 seconds, which is quicker than the BMW M3. You have full leather covered stitched door panels, as you can see by the stitching on the armrest as well as on the lower panel. Padded storage down below, power windows, power mirrors, power folding mirrors for both sides. Power locks are located up on the dash, as well as a woven carbon fiber trim unique to the M on the doors, as well as the dash and center console. Fully powered multi-contour premium leather seating, like I said, with perforations, two-person memory for the driver's seat, standard power adjustments, as well as separate adjustment for the upper portion for your upper back. Fold the headrests out to cup your head a little bit more, as well as the M logo stamped on the back of the seat, four-way power lumbar adjustment, as well as your power side bolstering adjustment, and a power leg extension. Very comfortable and supportive seating. Aluminum door sills, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel with heat, and you can also see right here that the entire dash is also covered in stitched leather. Going across the length of the vehicle with the carbon fiber. And let's go and see how she sounds. Very smooth engine. Beautiful. And we're going to shut her up. The X5M comes standard with a quad zone climate control system, so each of the passengers in the vehicle can have their own custom temperature set. One touch automatic, max AC. You also have heated as well as ventilated seats for the front occupants, 3-stage. All shows up here. Independent zones for each side. Front defrost and rear defrost. This vehicle also has the revised iDrive multimedia interface system with new LCD widescreen display. Basically how you use it, twisting the wheel left and right, enter, click up, down, left, and right to make your selections. Also, most of the options that you see on this screen can be accessed by the individual buttons here. This is the main menu. If you were to hit menu, you also have back as well as system options. Let's go on down to radio. You also have standard satellite radio that's set up by the dealer, weather band.
This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas.
These are the 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations.
Audio tone. Surround sound. You click the wheel left a couple times. Take us back to the main menu. CD and various multimedia options. It's also a hard drive based system, so you can load up MP3 files and use it as kind of like an integrated iPod. CD, DVD compatible, iPod auxiliary input, as well as hands-free Bluetooth streaming of audio. Your hands-free Bluetooth telephone, dialing numbers, storing messages, navigation system. Looks beautiful on this new screen. Split screen with vehicle data, as well as navigation. And you also have real-time traffic updates. Much easier system to get used to versus the previous generation iDrive. Office commands, storing contacts, messages. BMW Connected Drive, which is a complimentary service to BMW owners, which also stores your messages, concierge services, BMW roadside assistance, online capabilities, customer relations, as well as service requests and status. Vehicle information, trip computer, status and maintenance. Even torque distribution. System settings, customizable options, as well as your driving dynamics, specifically on the M vehicles. Down here you have your 6-disc CD changer with various radio modes, active massage, parking assist controls, traction settings, downhill assist, power tailgate, as well as your activation of your front view camera. To aid ease in parking, your leather stitched center console, carbon fiber accents, storage and cup holders, ladder and power outlet,
This is where Charlotte comes to hear ACDC 99.7.
integrated spot for a telephone, your auxiliary USB, as well as another power outlet, fully powered one-touch automatic sunroof. It extends all the way to the back. Very nice for open top motoring. Activation of your emergency roadside assistance, microphones for your hands-free Bluetooth telephone, interior illumination, as well as an auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated compass and garage home link. On the steering wheel, you have your radio controls, voice commands, M Sport mode, and your various media options. Heated steering wheel activation, radio,
Radio,
FM,
FM,
navigation,
Navigation. You can say help or voice commands.
voice commands,
Voice commands. Enter address book, last destinations, points of interest, map, stored trips, or route information.
map.
Map.
And all of your commands are listed within the system and your owner's manual. As far as the system itself, depending on which menu you're in at the specific time, is the different commands that you'll be given. Your activation of your heads-up display gives a digital speed readout.
By the way, inside our celebrity buzz department today at WRFX.com. Highway to hell on the job of the Fox you work.
Alrighty. So we're going to shut her down. You also have automatic tilt for the steering wheel. Calls the last driver memory setting. So let's go ahead and check out the back seat, shall we? Same interior scheme carries on in the rear doors with the carbon fiber. Manual sunshades. Does have a good amount of headroom. With the same perforated leather. Folding rear seats. And with the headrest put in, you can fold it down all the way and greatly expand the cargo space. Good solid door panels. Coat hooks, rear illumination, side curtain airbags, 3-stage heated seats of the rear passengers, 2 power outlets down below, and your individual AC controls with one-touch automatic mode. Fold down middle armrest, trunk pass through, as well as your rear speakers in the back. And we're going to check out the rest of the vehicle. You have a fully powered tailgate. Unlock this lower portion. Folds out to a modest tailgate. Ease of loading. Adjustable cargo tie downs. Plenty of storage down below. And some extra pockets on the side. Cargo cover. And rear power outlets. Same power adjustments on the passenger seat as the driver's. Your leather stitching. Carbon fiber cover over the glove box. Reaches down quite a bit. Nice amount of space. You also have a USB input as well. Alrighty. Beautifully built, impressive build quality, and awesome performance numbers. Great blend of sport and a premium SUV. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour of the 2012 BMW X5M. Be sure to stay tuned next time. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.